going down? It's Matt with Smoke Game Strong. We're here at the Texas Monthly BBQ Festival 2022 right here in Lockhart, birthplace of Texas barbecue. It's going down. They got some of the baddest places out here. Tomorrow's a big event, but I'm super excited for today. They're doing some badass taco dishes from all over the place. We got Harlem Road right here behind us, CM Smokehouse. We got KG Barbecue, Barb's Barbecue. It's going down here today. Let's go get some food and eat some tacos and some badass barbecue. Let's go. All right, we're here with my boy Kyle from Texas Made Supply Company. Always throwing down the baddest Texas style barbecue, all around everything, man. Wait till you see all the hats, shirts, everything that this guy got. He's got the aprons. He's always killing it, man.
Love seeing you, man. Love seeing you.
He's got a brick and mortar coming up.
Brick and mortar in Georgetown, man. We're having a party on the 19th this month.
Georgetown, Texas, baby. Headquarters coming at you. Let you see the inside of this badass trailer real quick. Check this out. This is from my boy, the Houston legend, JQ, the birria king right here, throwing it down. Here we go.
Yeah.
Spot on, baby. Spot on. All right, JQ, so we're here at the Texas Monthly. Tell me what you're throwing down today.
Man, today we got our famous birria tacos, the red smoked birria, the red tacos, and we also brought our tamales, man.
Awesome. What did you do? Pork right here, or
this is our brisket?
This is the brisket?
Yeah, brisket birria.
Awesome. Fantastic. Look at that. It's going down. We're here with my boy Mike from Eminem Barbecue Company. He is building these badass rotisseries, but he's also building some stupid crazy smokers, 500s, 1000s. Seen that golden one recently. That was crazy. You said it went to PA, right?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Oh man. But this is a 2000 right here, rotisserie. How many briskets can this thing fit?
This will cook around 60 to 72. And it'll cook 60, 16 pound, 18 pound briskets. If you're doing 12 pounds, like it'll go to 72.
Awesome. I see my boy Big Mo Cason just got one of these.
Sure did.
Cooked some badass beef ribs on it.
Yes, he did. That's one of the common misconceptions is these things will bark up like crazy, you know. And you can do beef ribs, you can do briskets, you can do all that stuff. And one interesting fact about Mo Cason's pit, those are actually real spent shell casings off a warthog.
Oh no way.
Yeah.
The decals on that thing was crazy. And then I was just talking to Johnny at Goldie's, who got one of these bad boys, who's the #1 Texas barbecue on the Texas Monthly list, and he said it was the best investment. He said he's killing on the rib game over there with them on that rotisserie bad boy. So
that made my day.
Yeah, man, it's been fantastic watching these things get built. Every time you post, it's like a showstopper every time, man. You know, from that blue one to the gold one, man. Keep killing it, man. So good shit, man. Good seeing you.
Good seeing you, man,
Yeah.
as always.
If you want one of those badass, top-notch rotisseries or offset smokers, we'll see your boy at Eminem Barbecue Company.
Thank you, man.
Okay, I just heard the best bite in the background. We're here with my boy Cade from CM Smokehouse over there at Bolden Acres, right in Austin. Go check him out. Always killing some badass dishes. So what we got here today?
So right here today we've got a whole hog taco with a salsa verde crema and a side of beans. Keeping it classic and nice.
I'm gonna get a bite right now, see what this is working with. Because it looks fantastic. So, whole hogs, you got the skin in there?
Yeah.
Crisp the skin?
Yeah. So we actually did a whole hog and then did enough belly to equal the hog meat. That way it's like half belly, half the rest of the hog. So it's like super fucking moist. Oh, I can't say fucking.
I got that crunch in there. Fantastic.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate it.
We need 6 more of these. 6 more. We're here with KG Barbecue out of Austin, Texas. My boy Kareem, who throws down some legit Egyptian barbecue, literally in a league of his own here. You know, we're not even gonna, it's just amazing. So we'll let him describe the dish.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, this is very different flavors from what you'll find almost anywhere in Texas, really. So this is our best-selling dish in the food truck. This is the brisket rice bowl. This is actually the birth of the idea of Egyptian fusion with barbecue came with the brisket shawarma wrap. I used to work at Valentina's, and I go there and I eat a brisket taco, which is brilliant, like homemade tortilla, a good smoked brisket, guacamole and salsa, and it's brilliant. And I thought, like, if these flavors work, then a shawarma would work. And I just did the same exact flavors. We do shawarma in Egypt with brisket, tomato, parsley, onion, and tahini. So I just took out the shawarma meat and put in brisket, and it was fantastic. And I did a lot of pop-ups, and I serve Mediterranean rice as a side. So the rice comes with turmeric and cinnamon rice, candied cinnamon nuts, and pomegranate seeds. And I just had some leftovers and one pop-up, and I just made rice bowls for everybody. And we were eating that at the end of the shift, and I was just like, we need to serve this right away.
Listen,
So,
yeah, I had the rice the other day on the side. We did the chicken shawarma at your place. The rice on the side, the rice was literally like a dessert.
Yeah.
It was so good, so flavorful. It was amazing.
Yeah.
You know,
So, like,
I was
in Egypt,
blown away.
like, we serve this kind of rice over like a feast. Like, we cook a whole lamb, and you cut it, you break it down in 4, and you just put it on a giant tray of rice and candied nuts. But here, so this dish, you got the rice, you got the smoked brisket, you got the baladi salad, which is one of our sides as well. Tomato, cucumber,
Amazing.
fresh mint, fresh parsley, red onion. It's very salty and very bright. It just goes really well with all the richness of this brisket. And then we got the candied nuts and the tahini sauce. Also, I tell everybody, tahini and brisket is a combo you never knew you needed. Seriously.
I know.
Seriously.
I know,
tahini
man.
and brisket and a salad. It's just like out of this world.
Listen,
And
man.
I just like to finish everything off with a little pomegranate seeds because they're just beautiful.
Listen, bro, you are killing it. The flavors are amazing, and keep doing what you're doing. Go see him. He's right up on Manor and Airport,
Yes.
Austin, Texas. KG Barbecue.
Thank you all.
Get
From
you some.
Egypt with love. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.
All right, we're here with Oro, one of my favorite pitmasters,
Thank you, brother.
out of Harlem Road in Sugarland, right?
Richmond.
Richmond.
Yeah, right next to Sugar,
right
yeah.
next to Sugarland. I
Yeah.
don't know why I always get confused with that one.
That's all right.
But Tell me about the dish today. What you do today?
Today I did one of the specials that we run in my restaurant, which is a mac and cheese with burnt-end brisket in it. Phenomenal.
It's phenomenal. I've been eating it the whole time we've been getting ready for this little segment here, and
thank you.
It's so good, so rich. I mean, but it's still light at the end of the day. You know what I mean?
It's a great. I mean, with the brisket in there, it just gives it that extra, you know.
So good. I had the chicharron earlier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So I fried up some fresh chicharron, added some white vinegar powder to it.
I remember that.
Man, that's amazing.
Awesome. Well, Ari here, man. He's always doing some fantastic chef-driven dishes. Check him out, even on his YouTube. You know, I've been following and started doing some stews and tagine dishes that I pulled from his. I
get to have fun with my chef stuff on that YouTube channel. It gets to be fun. Thank you.
So definitely check him out on there, and it's always been fun seeing you, man.
Always a pleasure seeing you, brother.
Always,
Thank you.
Thank you. And this is
Enjoy.
Fire.